everyone. This is First Officer Fritz speaking from the flight deck, along with Captain Orson and your cabin crew, Shay and Orson. Welcome aboard Flight EG 6056, bound for Manila. Flight time is approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes, and cruising altitude will be 15,000 feet. Weather en route is forecasted to be fair, and whatever weather update shall be reported prior to our descent. Your safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight deck and cabin crew. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. Please don't hesitate to call in the attention of our cabin crew should you require further assistance or clarification on these important measures. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Thank you for flying 7.